If it is your first time here, I am Shantrinas. Hello, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you guys haven't seen my hair dye video already, you already know, like, I'm starting off the new year with new hair color, new natural hair routine, new videos, new attitude, pretty much new everything, featuring some products that I got from Sally's Beauty. So I'm gonna show you how to get this look, actually a couple different looks. So I did this one, my hair was super curly before this, and one more where it was like a pinup kind of style. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for Sally's for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. So we're starting off with straightened hair. I've recently re-dyed my hair, and if you guys want to see that, I'll go ahead and leave a link somewhere in the description box. But yeah, we're gonna start off with hair already straightened. And I'm gonna be using this GVP straightener from Sally's Beauty. So I'm gonna start off by using my Silk Elements Olive Oil Heat Protectant Spray. This is my holy grail heat protectant. I love it so much. And using my GVP flat iron from Sally's. This flat iron is supposed to be comparable to the Chi flat iron, and I agree, this flat iron is amazing, and it's like half the cost of the Chi one. So definitely a really good deal, and I'm using these perm rod rollers to roll up my hair. If you don't want as much heat on your hair, you can do this style straight out of a blowout, so you don't have to straighten it first. You can always just go ahead and put the curls in on blown out hair instead of straightening it first and then doing the curls. And I'm taking this macadamia healing oil. This stuff is amazing and it smells really good. Their deep conditioner works really good too. It's one of my holy grails. I don't know if you guys knew that, but it's absolutely amazing. And I'm going ahead and separating these curls with my fingers. I was going for a really big Tracy Ellis Ross hair, and at first I wanted to see what it would look like if it was a little more tame, so I just picked it out a little bit and then shook my head around and kind of went from there, and it was cute. I was pretty into it. Then I decided to brush my hair out like I used to do it with my cute little pinup style, and I used to wear this hairstyle all the time when my hair was pink. A couple years ago I used to wear my hair in a pinup style all the time, like almost every single day, and I still think it's really cute, but it wasn't giving me the look I was going for. It kind of looked like a beauty pageant hairstyle. Like, I feel like I should have been like on some float somewhere, like waving to the crowd. But yeah, I ended up brushing that out because I wasn't going for pageant hair, okay? So I decided to brush that out. I picked it out, and this is what it ended up looking like. I absolutely loved my hair like this. Like, you can tell from my face, like I was obsessed with it. I just love my hair like this. Like, I love big hair. I love poofy hair, I love frizzy hair, and yeah, that's basically the hairstyles that I went through for this.